Hi everybody! In this lesson we will learn how to set the in and out point of each layer and to determine the duration of each layer. First of all, you can do this very simply by dragging the beginning of the layer and the end of the layer. You can drag and shift and holding shift to snap it whether to the head time indicator or to the beginning and the end of other layers. You can do it by revealing the columns of in and out, in, out, duration. Here you can say when this layer start. For example, I can say 25. So I can control the in and out of this layer by controlling these numbers. I can also adjust the duration of this layer, increase or decrease it. From the keyboard, I can also determine when the layer starts by the left and right bracket from the keyboard. Left bracket set the beginning of the layer. Here he moves the layer to the point of the head, starts from the point of the timeline indicator. I can also say the end here by clicking the right bracket. As you see, there is no cropping, only move the layer, shift its position. If you want to crop it here, you can do this by clicking Alt and right bracket, or crop the beginning by Alt and left bracket. We can also, for example, this movie, double click on it and open it in the footage panel, and I can, for example, drag the duration and say this is the end point, here this is the end point. Here I make limits and I determine the beginning and the end of the layer from these brackets. Controlling the movement of the beginning and the end of the layer, cropping the layer, determines the duration of the layer is very crucial. So learning to do them fast helps you to work fast in After Effects. That's it. Thank you and see you next lesson.